Hello student, class 12th physics. Today we will be start new chapter number 3, current electricity. Current electricity. And today is our topics flow of electric current. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट्स जो है फ्लो कैसे होती है, देन नाउ and what is electric current. In these topics we will be study. Now let's consider we have two isolated conductor A and B is a two isolated conductor. The conductor A is at higher potential, it has higher potential, and conductor B is at lower potential. It is a higher potential and B has lower potential. When the conductors are joined with the help of the conducting wire, A and B is joined by the helping of conducting wire. हमने A एंड B को कनेक्टिंग वायर के थ्रू क्या कर दिया, इसको कनेक्ट कर दिए. देन द पॉजिटिव चार्ज विल फ्लो फ्रॉम कंडक्टर A. It is a higher potential and it has lower potential. In this condition, when then if we connected A and B helping of the connecting wire, then the positive charge will be flow from conductor A to conductor B. positive charge जो है A to B flow होना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. This flow continues till the potential of both the conductors becomes equals. ये जो फ्लो है, जो प्रोसेस है, फ्लोइंग प्रोसेस, वो तब तक कंटिन्यूस रहता है जब तक कि दोनों की पोटेंशियल्स इक्वल्स ना हो जाए. इफ यूजिंग एनी डिवाइस टू potential difference is maintained between two conductors, then the positive charge will flow continuously from conductor A to conductor B. जो चार्ज है, जो डायरेक्शंस ऑफ चार्जेस है, in these conditions from the higher potential product conductor टू द लोअर पोटेंशियल कंडक्टर. इसमें जो डायरेक्शंस है चार्जेस की, वो कहाँ से कहाँ तक होती है, जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज है वो ए टू बी की ओर कंटिन्यूसली क्या होता है, फ्लो होती है. द मूविंग चार्ज कंस्टिट्यूट द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. चार्ज की मूवमेंट से ही इलेक्ट्रिक करंट्स क्या होते हैं, जनरेट होती है. नाउ directions of flow of current. When the directions of flow of electron directions is B to A, electrons क्या होता है, माइनस चार्ज से पॉजिटिव चार्ज को इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जब डायरेक्ट, नाउ ए एरो इज डिनोटेड बाय डायरेक्शंस ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की डायरेक्शंस and in these arrows denoted the directions of currents. Directions of flow of current. In these conditions, charge in motion constitute electric current. The branch of physics which deals with the charges in motion is called electric current. Or we can write the amount of charge, the amount of charge flowing through any cross sections area of a conductor per unit time is called electric current. Repeating again, the amount of charge flowing through any cross sections area of a conductor per unit time is called electric current. Let Q charges is flowing through a conductor in time small t for then current flowing through that conductor we will be write I that is equal to Q upon small t. Electric current is represented by capital I. According to definitions, the amount of charge flowing through any cross sections area of a conductor per unit time is called electric current. In this definition, we can write the electric current that is equal to charges Q upon time. Or in this formulas, we can say the rate of flow of charge through any cross sections area of conductor is called electric current. Charges per unit time. Now in words we can write जो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट है आई दैट इज इक्वल टू क्यू अपॉन टी, इसे हम वर्ड्स में कैसे इसको डिनोट कर सकते हैं? इन वर्ड्स, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट दैट इज इक्वल टू टोटल चार्ज फ्लोइंग total charges flowing upon time taken. Now if del q charge is flowing through a cross sections of a conductor in a time del t, in time del t plus q charges flowing through cross sections of conductor, then current flowing through the conductor is given by I that is equal to del q upon del t. If del t is tend to 0, in these conditions I that is equal to limit of del t is tend to 0 or del q upon del t, or if we have removed the limit of del t, then we can also write dq upon dt. I that is equal to dq upon dt. If in time t seconds, if in time t second an electrons are crossed through any cross sections of the conductor, so the total charge crossed is, repeating again, if in time t second and electrons are crossed through any cross sections of the conductor, so the total charges crossed is q, that is equal to n e, यानी बाय द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ चार्जेस, जो टोटल चार्जेस है वो टोटल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के क्या होंगे, इक्वल्स होंगे, वेयर E इज अ चार्ज ऑफ 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, देन टोटल n इलेक्ट्रॉन्स वहां से पास होगा, देन टोटल चार्जेस q, दैट इज इक्वल टू n e, वेयर n दैट इज इक्वल टू चार्ज ऑफ 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की चार्जेस है. देन फ्रॉम above equations, then we can write I that is equal to q upon t, or q की वैल्यू हमने यहाँ पे पुट कर देते हैं, देन I that is equal to n e upon small t, where charge of 1 electrons that is equal to 1.6 multiply 10 की पावर माइनस 19 coulombs. Unit of electric current, unit of electric current. Then in SI system, unit of electric current is ampere. It is denoted by capital A. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट्स की जो यूनिट्स है वो एम्पायर है, इट इज डिनोटेड बाय ए. नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, करंट डेंसिटी. डेफिनेशंस ऑफ करंट डेंसिटी. द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट flowing per unit area of cross sections of a conductor is called current density at the point on the cross sections area. Repeating again, the electric current flowing per unit area of cross sections of a conductor is called current density at the point on the cross sections. It is denoted by capital J. कैपिटल J से हम करंट डेंसिटीज को डिनोट करते हैं. एज अ फार्मूला वी कैन राइट करंट डेंसिटी that is equal to electric current upon transverse area of cross sections. Transverse area of cross sections. Now if I is a current, if I current is flowing through area of cross sections is A is a area of cross sections of conductor, then the current density J that is equal to electric current I upon transverse area of cross sections that is equal to A, because we know that I that is equal to Q upon T, then current density J that is equal to Q upon small t upon A, or also we can write J that is equal to Q upon A T. Current density J that is equal to Q upon AT. Unit and dimensions. Now unit of current density, unit. Then in SI systems Q upon A और Q की जो I upon A Z is equal to I upon A. I is a इलेक्ट्रिक करंट्स की जो यूनिट्स है वो एम्पियर एंड A is a area of cross sections, then area of cross section that is equal to meter square, or we can write ampere per meter square is a unit of current density. And dimension formula of current density, according to definitions of current density, electric current upon area of cross sections. then electric currents की जो dimensions is a ampere and area of cross sections or areas की जो dimensions formula is L square. then also we can write m0 L square T0 A is a dimensional formula of electric current density.